my loves, and welcome back to my channel. So I'm basically going out for dinner to Subway. Yeah, I think it's Subway, and then I'm not sure where else I'll go from there, but I'll show you everything. I just wanted to have like an opening of the vlog, unlike with my previous vlogs where they all just started basically with me in the car, and I didn't like it like that. I would prefer to have like a proper intro at the beginning. And I'm also hoping that as the week goes by, I'm gonna like take y'all with me maybe on some day to campus and basically just spend the day with y'all, if it will be possible. I'm not really sure, because I'm also trying to like get into the new schedule of school from morning until evening. So yeah, that's just basically it. I do hope that you're gonna enjoy this vlog. It's going to be the weekly vlog. Like I said, that I would want to get back into my normal routine of being extra consistent while bringing content that is also entertaining, not just basic content. So yeah, come with me and spend the night with me, obviously. So I'm wearing this, as you guys can see, and a black skirt. If it was possible for me to take pictures, I would show you. And my black, they're black and white slides. And yeah, just come with me and spend the night. And from tomorrow, I think if I'm able to make an intro, I will make it. But I think I'll take you with me to school on Tuesday, because that's when like I have time, because my classes start at 10:20. So maybe I'll have like time to, you know, take y'all with me, unlike on other days where I have full-on classes. But anyway, let me book my ride and we go.
Today, baby, every time I close my eyes, get a glimpse of this candy paint. Don't slip off when it drip off on top. You really see it here, lifting up and toss the bed. I know everything you want. I'ma show you how I stroke it. Bring you what you know on top of me. I'ma let you beat it boss of me. I know everything you want. Give me that daddy long stroke. I can't wait till I get home so you can tear that cherry out. Tear that cherry out.
From a day job, running fast from the way it was.
By you, not trying to find you. Cause if I do,
It's Mama once again. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to join the family.
Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Saying if you a bad bitch, put your hands up high, hands up high, hands up high. Tell them dim the lights down right now, put me in the mood. I'm talking about dark room, perfume, go.
I recognize your fragrance, hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit, and I know your taste is a little bit, high maintenance, everybody else basic, you live life on an everyday basis, with poetic justice, if I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it? I mean, I write poems in these songs, dedicated to you, and you're in the mood for empathy, there's blood in my pen, better yet with your friends and them, I really wanna know you off, I really wanna show you off, fuck God, pour up plenty of champagne, cold nights when you myself, but I could never right my wrongs unless I write it down for real. P.S. You can get it, you can get it, you can get it, you can get it. And I know you what you want. Oh, what it got this, put it in the song. Alright. You can get it, you can get it, you can get it, you can get it. And I know you what you want. Oh, what it got this, put it in the song. Alright.
Good morning and hi my loves, welcome back to our channel. It's a Tuesday. What date is it today? I think it's 23rd. I'm not really sure of the date, but I think it's a Tuesday. It's 23rd, I'm sorry. So I'm about to leave for campus. My classes today start at 10:20, so I wanted to go to campus, make copies of my internship certificate and my mark sheet, and then submit them. And then after that, I want to go to the library. Why am I saying the lab? It's a library. I want to go to the library and just stay in there for a while before my classes start, and then I'll move on to the third level when my classes start. And then yeah, that's just gonna be like my day. So before I go, because I'm gonna book a ride, because like the autos are finished, so I struggle a bit on days when my classes start at 10:20 instead of 9:30, because like even if the autos come, they are not as, how do I say this, man, they don't prioritize 10:20. I don't know, I feel like they think we have time. I don't know. Also, there's just a few people in the morning at that time, so I wanna book a ride. It would be better for me. Yeah, and the weather today is so beautiful. It's a bit cloudy. I'm hoping it doesn't rain though. Yeah, it's a bit cloudy and a bit chilled. Something for a change in this hot country. But anyway, I was reading, as I was doing my devotions this morning, I was reading, I forgot which part of the Bible it is, and I'm trying to work on that, forgetting where I'm getting my scriptures from. But like, I'm reading so many things at once, hence I forget. But the one that stood out for me today was the part that said that everything flows from our heart. We must protect our hearts and just generally avoid gossip, avoid being around people who do weird things and conform to the worldly things, you know. It reminded me about, is it Psalm 27? And it said that meaning that they are just useless. If you've lived with your grandparents and all of that, you would know that it's the so how le moko fefolang ke moya o ya kwana le kwana ha ona mo yeming o tlo qetelletse o lahle o so sa itsebe o sa tsebe na o mang o batlang bophelong. What is your purpose in life? And it's going to be very hard for you to even be able to find your purpose if the only thing you do is to gossip, lie, do all of the bad things instead of finding God, instead of finding people who bring you closer to God, people who speak about the world, the goodness of the Lord, instead of dinta tsa lefatshe, because at the end all of that is going to be very unnecessary. So yeah, I just wanted to share with y'all today that may we guard and protect our hearts, for everything that we do flows from our heart, and avoid bad company, because hey, and then you meet the wrong people, you end up being like that, because the bad behavior of those people is going to wear off on you. Next thing you know, you're gonna be exactly as those people. Trust and believe you're going to be so good. But if you're among people who are just loitering around, people who don't know their purpose in life, people who don't know what they're even doing, you're just gonna be like them. It's gonna take you a few months. And have you all seen how bad behavior wears off quicker than good behavior? I've seen it with myself, because like, if I tell myself that this week I'm not going to do much of the less important things, like, it's very hard for me to leave my phone, because I am really addicted to YouTube, and I'd rather spend like the entire morning scrolling through YouTube, Instagram and WhatsApp statuses, instead of starting my day handle, pray, do my devotions, come in the kitchen, make breakfast, and then do whatever I have to do, you know. But yeah, and end it with him, you know. Bye. From now I'm going to book my ride, go to campus. I think y'all are just gonna see me on my way to campus, and then when I get there I have to print man, this thingy, the tripod, is just convenient, because look at me speaking now, because you remember and it just because I would just end up saying things and not elaborating on anything. But anyway, you guys are gonna see me going, because I'm gonna book my ride, I think on InDrive or Rapido. InDrive is usually cheaper. Hey, India, because now I know ride ya I see you InDrive, I have to book Rapido because it's cheaper. But anyway, I'm just gonna book my ride, go to campus. When I get there, I'm gonna go to the stationery shop, copy my internship sheet, mark sheet and internship diary, and then take them to the first floor, internship and all of that, get submitted, and then from there I'm gonna go to the library. Why do I keep saying the lab? To the library, study a bit. Yeah, I'll see you as the day goes. And now it's very hard for me to like record at campus, so if you don't see anything, just know baby girl like her record and all of that, because also like and but anyway, bye, see you later. Oh, I'm wearing this, it's my absolute favorite, this one, I love it too. But anyway, bye, I'll see y'all as the day goes by.
Bring me to so many tears after all these years. See, my days are cold without you. My days, yeah. And though my heart can't take no more, I keep on. See, my days are cold without you. Without you, without you, I keep on, I keep on back to you. I trusted you, I trusted you. So sad, what love will make you do. All the things that we accept, be the things that we regret. So all of my ladies, hear me, come on, sing with me. See, when I get straight to leave, you always tell me that you need me, and I'm weak cause I believe you, and I'm mad because I love you. So I stop and think that maybe you can learn to appreciate
Cups of the rose, bitches in my old phone. I should call but and go home. I've been in this club too long. The woman that I would try is happy with a good guy, but I've been drinking so much, I'ma call her anyway and say, fuck that nigga that you love so bad. I know you still think about the times we had. I say fuck that nigga that you think you found. And since you picked up, I know he's not around.
Hi my loves and welcome to my channel. Is it even okay to make another intro because I had already made an intro? It's just that I feel like it's been a while since I said something, yabo. And yeah, I'm just taking y'all with me today to get a few things for the house. I gotta get to my service with this cap because my hair is not looking good anymore. I have to fix it. I have to make wet edges in the front. So yeah, that's my killing abit imam service. But anyway, I'm taking y'all with me to get some groceries. I usually get my groceries from Vishal Mega Mart, and that's where we're headed to. I haven't booked my ride though. But yeah. Yeah, I'm not even sure if I'll be able to get everything today because I also have to get some vegetables, and things here are different. It's not like at home where you can get everything all in one store, like Boma, Pick n Pay, ShopRite, all of those, yeah, it's quite different. So that's why. So yeah, I'm just about to book my ride. I look so weird, man, in a cap on my channel. I didn't think I'd see this day ever, but guess Anna, here we are. And yeah, I don't know what else to say. I've been meaning to let me remove this. Yeah, as I was saying, I've been meaning to record yabo on Wednesday because the last time I recorded was on Wednesday, but letting that clip is not clear because there's no introduction. I did not even get time to say good morning, I'm going to campus, blah blah blah. The right part of the vlog ended when I was at the library. That's the only part that I feel confident in like sharing with y'all. The other one was when I was at the library, not at the library, on Wednesday when I was wearing uniform, and I was so keen in showing that part. Even I was so excited. The day before on Tuesday night I was like, I'm gonna wake up early because also on Wednesdays we wear uniform, ne? That's the only day during the week that I get to wear my uniform and look good. I did not record everything because I was running late, and on Wednesdays I have classes from 9:30, so it was kind of like impossible to avoid classes because attendance, that's another thing. But anyway, let me stop. We'll talk when I get back. I think that's when I'll get enough time to like speak a lot. Maybe even tomorrow. Let me not promise on today. I think that will happen tomorrow. So let's just go get some groceries, and yeah, I'll see you there.
All night, say it, I want all night.
Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe. Usually I don't do this often, but since recruiting isn't an option due to unusual rain and thunder, baby I wonder, put your sweats on for me. Yeah. I got the plug, I made the call for me.
Continuing with life because life didn't end when I came to the store, only to find that it's closed. Well, they were closing because they said they're not letting anybody in. So yeah, we try again tomorrow. That's if I'll come back again tomorrow, or it will be on Saturday. And again, because I got a t-shirt. But anyway, I just had ice cream, and now we're going back home because wait. And yeah, and my driver is almost here. I think he's 1 minute away now. So yeah, see y'all tomorrow. I'm hoping I'll be able to take y'all with me to campus. Otherwise, Go to even the ice cream guy is closing his shop, and Baya is still not here. John Nadilight is ang amela we. Ke mathat. Ruri ke mathat. Kaponna ke wa bana go ntse re sokola. He's taking the bin in. Where am I gonna throw out this ice cream thing is since Baya is taking his bins. That's a boring. Away, man. It says Captain on the way. Yeah, man, I'm sure it's been saying Captain on the way since last week. Oh. Cha, mga shabanga le ditulo. Alema. Vishal, my dear, when I catch you. So why did you make us wait? Okay. Okay. Baby. Yeah. It's giving.
I do homework, you can give me extra credit, baby. I do more. What you wanna do? Now it's me and you.
Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe. Usually I don't do this often, but since recruiting isn't an option due to unusual rain and thunder, baby, I wonder, would you just put your sweats on for me? Yeah. I got the plug, I made the call for me. I'm talking late night for ya. Let me lay a great time on ya. Don't hesitate, no. don't you